What is up, YouTube? As you can see, in Germany a lot of snow. It's 11 p.m. so I hope the streets are empty, and I thought let's make a video where we go to a place where we can, let's say, we can test a little bit the xDrive system and all the other assistance systems which we have. Then we try to turn it off and see the difference, yeah, between with all systems activated, with a new car. So it's built 2023, so it's nearly like brand new, same as 4MATIC at Mercedes or Quattro at Audi. I think Audi has the best system when it comes to four-wheel drive, but yeah, BMWs are also fun. I think with BMWs you have the best fun, because it's a special feeling if you drive a BMW, even if it's a 1 Series, because BMW did a beast in the 1 Series. It's 140. This car, I think it has over 350 horsepower, and it's a beast. You can easily, like, such a good engine in such a small car. The 1 Series is not big, and yeah, it's crazy with rear wheel drive. And yeah, with that car I think you can have a lot of fun. But here we have the 2 Series, even not that many horsepower, 190 horsepower, but let's see, it's still fun to drive when it's snowing. And in Germany you don't have a lot of snow normally, so it's a special day, and I thought let's make a video where we slide a little bit. I don't think you can drift with xDrive. I think it will be more of sliding, but let's see how it will feel. I did already some testing by myself sometimes, and also last week or 2 weeks ago I went to Austria, and there was also a lot of snow, and it was also fun. So I want to do a proper review about xDrive after the winter in Germany. I think I will do it. And also general, when it's raining a lot, you have a lot of benefits which I did underestimate in the beginning. But after that, it's my first car with xDrive, and I have to admit it's really cool. But I will test it properly to say it, because now, like, I have this car since August, and yeah, I just want to do a proper test before I do a review. But yeah, first let's check it up. I hope you're doing well. Thank you very much for over 100 subscribers. So it's really fun for me to see that you watch my videos, and so it's really motivating me to do more content, wise as well. So yeah, and as you can see, I don't know the street if you can see it, but it's already melting. The snow is already melting, so we have to be fast. I think this night you have still some snow, but tomorrow I think it will be gone. So let's see at the parking space of a shopping center if I still see some snow. I see other guys, also other BMW, but it looks good. Like, you have here some snow, so definitely you can have some fun here. Yes. So this is with xDrive, and as you can see, if the if the street is completely in snow, then still the xDrive system, it has problems with the grip. So as you can see, look, it tries to get some grip, but it's impossible. So what I will do now, I will turn off the assistance. So let me do it like this. So then we will see it here. It will turn off, okay. Then start stop, of course, off. Then we go to sport. Like this, and also here the sport. And then let's check. Oh yes, and now the grip is completely gone. And now you can drift. Yes, you can have a lot of fun. Yes. This is fun. I wish we would have more often snow in Germany, then you can do things like that. And also I think it's important, like if you're watching it, I would recommend you to do it always, to do such things, because then you will have a feeling of this car. So that means you will see, for example, how it's behaving if you are like if you go into the brakes when it's snowing and you have no assistance, or you have assistance. And I think it's important to get a feeling for this car. And then also, if there are some danger situations, you can behave because you know how to control the car, you know. And I would recommend to do it always, to do such things. And test the car to get a feeling and to have some fun, of course. I see the other guys are looking and thinking, what is he doing with his car? But it makes so much fun. So what I will do now is again donuts. So let's... So I have also to practice a little bit. But it's the best weather to test it, because you can also try on wet streets, but on wet streets it could be that you like it's more dangerous. And you, if you're doing it, do it on a park space where you have a lot of space, right? Not where some cars may be parking or so. But then I would recommend. So what I can tell, if you deactivate the assistance, then you have to really be careful, because as you can see, if there are some snow, then the traction is completely gone. But it makes so much fun. I wish someone from the outside could film, but I don't have a proper camera. I only have this GoPro. But next time I will do it maybe with a second person, and then we can film it properly. Okay, maybe we will try now with xDrive again. I will turn on the assistant, so it's on again. So it has more traction, as you can see. Yeah, it tries definitely to get more traction on the street, but it loses it and then it finds it again. So it's easily to handle the car and to go into the brakes like this. So it's really good, to be honest. I think Quattro is better from Audi, because I think they invented that. So I think, yeah, technology wise they have a little bit, yeah, they're a little bit better, but I can tell it makes a lot of fun with the xDrive. If you deactivate everything, then you can have a lot of fun. So that was, for a car guy, it's cool. And here it's only wet and you have the traction back. Yeah, it's only if it's snowing and the road is full of ice or snow, then it's very slippery. But here, oh, I have to put some gas in. I think that was too much fun for the car, so now I have to refill the gas. Yeah, and what I can tell, xDrive system, if you like put into the gas, even it's raining, then you have still traction. It's very important, I think, in Germany, because we have a lot of hills, and in winter or when it's raining a lot, it's very useful. So again, I will do a proper review, but I have already an opinion. And yes, so that was a lot of fun for me. Next time I try to film it from the outside, because I think it's much more fun. And what I also want to tell to you is, thanks for watching the videos. Yeah, so it really motivates me. You don't know how much like I'm working in business, right? But that gives me other form of motivation, you know. Like if I see you're commenting something, or I see the subs, the likes, so I'm very thankful for that. That I can do such things, because there are a lot of people in the world which don't have even a car. I hope you still like the videos. If so, thanks for watching. Short video here, testing xDrive power, having some fun, short vlog. And I will drive now home because it's 11 p.m. and yeah, thanks for watching. Have a nice one.